Now that you've made the decision to get help with your debt, you have to understand that you have options. Make sure that you choose the right option for your situation and that you choose a reputable company to help you. There are definitely great companies out there, but finding them may be difficult. Don't give up. This short video will walk you step by step on how to choose a reputable company that will help you. First, go to the Better Business Bureau website and look them up. There are a few things you have to look for with the BBB. Make sure that the company is an accredited business with the BBB. In order to be accredited, the company has to go through a complete audit to make sure that they are up to date with licensing and that they adhere to all of the applicable laws that govern their industry. If a company is not accredited, then there is some part of their business that was not able to pass the audit. Make sure that you are with an accredited business. Look at the company rating. If a company has less than a B rating, you should move on. Look at their complaint history. Even though some people will just complain about everything, no company should have excessive complaints. If a company has 5 or more complaints over the last 12 months, that would be considered excessive. Again, move on. And lastly, check how long the company has been in business. If they have been in business for less than 3 years, then you are at considerable risk of them closing down. Don't risk your financial situation with a startup company. Next, you should look up the company name. You can use different search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. By doing this, you will find out a lot of different things about any company. You should also type the words complaint after the company name and also type the word reviews after the company name. Searching a company on the web this way will get you the most possible information about that company. You should also look into the company directly. Look at the company website. Make sure that they list the physical address for the business on their website. Make sure there is a phone number that you can call and reach a live person. If a company fails to disclose either of those two things, then there is a good chance that they are hiding something. Never a good sign. And then make sure that they use the same name and address for all their correspondence. Unfortunately, there are companies that use various names to conceal who they really are. Their website, their emails, all documentation that they send, all should have the same information on it. If any information varies, that's a red flag. Lastly, in this industry, there are strict laws. On October 27, 2010, the FTC passed a law that states clearly that a debt relief company cannot charge any upfront fees or monthly fees. But there was a loophole on the law that states an attorney can charge an upfront fee. This doesn't mean that the attorney will do a better job or even do the job at all. Most illegitimate companies are hiding behind law firms' names and charging fees when they are not supposed to. And in most cases, if any legal action arose, you would not even be covered by them and would have to pay extra attorney fees or take care of things on your own. Some law firms are even claiming to eliminate your debt completely and only paying them a retainer fee for 2 to 3 years. That is just not true. The bottom line is that there is no reason to pay huge upfront fees for a service that the FTC passed a law to ensure that you don't have to. If you haven't chosen a company yet, then this video will definitely help you choose the right one. And if you are with a company and this video showed you that they are reputable and you were happy with what you found, then that's great. You're one of the lucky ones. Congratulations. But if this video opened your eyes to see that you chose a company that didn't meet your expectations, it's not too late to switch. Even if you already made a few payments to them, it's still not too late. Your financial freedom is at stake. Do your research and choose wisely.